Hey Wagwan, you are welcome to my channel. Today I'll be treating how to pitch your music to trending on Audiomack. If you are new here, my name is Kidas Clean, aka Sponsor Boy. Kindly click on the red subscribe button below and don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. You won't want to miss any part of this video because I will give you the step-by-step tutorial on how to do that, how to pitch your music to trending on Audiomack, and you will see that yourself. And I promise if you should follow the step-by-step tutorial, I believe you should be able to get your song on trending. Yeah, let's get into the video now. Tutorial, we're using the Chrome app. Let me launch the app. Okay, log on to the Audiomack website. Audiomack. Okay. Open with Chrome. Okay, now the page is almost up. Okay, it's up. Now we are going to sign in, and if you haven't signed up yet, you click on the sign up. You can see the both of them at the right top corner here. If you haven't signed up yet, click on sign up. But if you have signed up earlier, so you have to click on sign in to log in your account. Now you sign in whatever you used to sign up earlier. I'll be using my email. Continue. Click on continue. Verify my email. Okay, and my password. Input my password and click on sign in. I'm signing in. I've signed in already. What I'll be doing next, I'll click on upload over here. Upload over here. Are you seeing it? Upload over here. Click on upload. I think the network is slow. Let me refresh the page. Okay. What to do next? Click on song and then you click on next. Okay. Upload the music to Audiomack. Browse to your file. Clicking on the button. Browse to your file. Take it to your file. Click on download. I hope you are getting that. Okay, now I'll be clicking on my file down to upload. Sorry. It's uploading. Uploading. It shouldn't take too long. Processing. Okay. Your music has been uploaded. First you have to do, add your artwork. I've added mine, but to add your artwork, click on add artwork over here. I'm going to take you to your select an image. Select an image. Let me select one image. Let me select this. Done. Let's have to change it. Okay. Now what you do next is to input the artist name. Artist name. Mine has been inputted. Song title. explicit. Okay. The genre of the music, Afrobeat. The subgenre, Afrofusion and Afro hip hop, and the mood, motivation. Okay, now you click on next step when you are done with all that. The song description, you put the song description. So the screen came up. The screen came up with a song that motivates your day. I always add it to be short like that, and you're good to go. If it's an album, you have to input it, but not necessary. Not necessary. Input the UPC or ISRC if you have one, but it's optional. It's not necessary to. But if you don't know the meaning of UPC and you want to know what it means and ISRC, then you can let me know in the comment section so I can make a video about UPC and ISRC. So let's continue. Click on the next step. Okay. And before we continue, just kindly hit on the subscribe button below if you haven't done that, and click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop a new video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up for this video and a nice comment. Let me know what you have in mind in the comment section. Thank you. Let's continue with the video. Your release will have to be public. Click on public, and this is a song URL over here. This buy slash custom link, I think is a paid one, so you have to click on finish. Okay, and your music is uploaded already, but don't forget our first aim is to release our song to trending and playlist. So now you click on submit to trending and playlist. I hope you can see it over here. Submit to trending and playlist. So now click on submit to trending and playlist. So it will take you to your dashboard, your creator dashboard. But you might have a problem if you are not yet an authenticated creator. You have a problem with that. But I've made a video on how to become an authenticated creator. So you have to be an authenticated creator before you can release your song to trending. But you can see I'm an authenticated creator already. You can say congrats, you are an authenticated creator. So submit to trending and playlist. Select a song or album from the list your eligible songs and album. So the reason why this is the only eligible song I can release because it's the only one I'm releasing recently. So I'll click on this and click on next step. And which playlist I think I want? I want Afrobeat. Sorry, I want Afrobeat. So I click on submit. Your song has been submitted for trending consideration. So if your song gets added to the trending or any playlist, you receive an email. I'm going to notify Audiomack will send you an email to notify you if you have been considered for trending. But note, is not assured to you that you'll be added to the trending and playlist. You understand me? I hope you understand this video. If you don't get it, you can just go over it once more and watch again till you get to understand the video. Thanks for watching this video. Click on the subscribe button if you haven't. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.